Hello guys, good day, Pobreng Engineer here. Today I will teach you how to show and hide an Excel tabs. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to YouTube channel. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I uploaded a new video in this channel. And without further ado, let's continue. As you can see in the interface of the Excel application, we have here different tabs: the file, homes, insert, page layout, and etc. But we can see the developer tab. So to show the developer tab or to enable, just click the file tab, the options, in the customize ribbon. Then under the main tabs, we can see that the box of the developer is not checked. So just check this, then click OK, and voila, we can now see the developer tab. Then to hide the tabs, or that it is the same process. The difference is option, customize. The difference is we just uncheck the box, then let's uncheck the box, then click OK. Then as you can see, the developer tab is now hidden. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you and God bless.